Hello mga ka-Easy Peeps. So today, we just received yung ating withdrawal yesterday. So, ang ating withdraw is $116.22. Meron siyang payment charges na $2.91. So na-withdraw tayo using through USDT with a network of TRC20. So, kung mapapansin natin, if we withdraw using other payment method like GCash, Maya, or any banks, medyo malaki ang difference nila in terms of payment charges. So, I find yung USDT withdrawal and deposit na mas convenient at mas cheapest ang transactions. So, every $40 na withdraw mo dito sa USDT account, it will charge you only $1. So, nakita po natin, no, na ito po ay nag-reflect na. So, pupunta tayo ng Bybit. So, you need to create an account sa Bybit and then the network should be TRC20. USDT account with TRC20 network. So, nakita niyo po, pumasok po siya, right? Ang gagawin po natin dito ngayon ay tayo po ay mag-ika-cash in. So, ang kinaibahan kasi nito sa pagka-cash in directly sa CRM using other payment method, kung magkano ang exchange rate natin in peso, yun din po yung kukunin nila na close doon sa amount. So, today, I believe ang exchange rate ng peso natin ay around USD to peso. So, naglalaro siya as of today ng June 5th ng 58 pesos and 71 cents ang isang dolyar. So, tingnan natin kung around that close ang kaya nating papalitan using this withdraw money. So, pupunta ka lang ngayon ng home. Hanapin mo ngayon yung P2P trading. Ito po, P2P trading. And then, kung ikaw ay ready ng magbenta ng so-called asset or nung USDT account mo, all you have to do is to go to the sell. And then, dito, pwede kang mag-withdraw through GCash, Maya, bank transfer, or any banks na meron ka. So, meron akong Maya account. So, I will just click Maya para ang lumabas lang is yung mga Maya na pwede sila mag-transfer. So, as you can see, based dito, yung kanilang kukunin per isang dolyar ay 58 pesos, which is close dito sa 58 pesos and 71 cents. So, napakalaking tulong nito para ma-maximize natin yung charges ng pag-withdraw. It's just same na parang ang lumalabas, sa pag-withdraw ko, ang binayaran ko lang is almost $2 to $3 lang. At nakuha ko ang full potential na withdrawal amount. So, ang technique din dito, kailangan titignan mo yung percentage sa kanan ninyo at yung total orders para malaman natin na this is really reliable exchange rate person. So, I will click Crypto Peso. I will click Sell. And then let me just check kung papayagan niya. So, ang pinaka lower limit niya is 512 USDT. So, that means hindi tayo pwede. I will go back. Hahanap ako ng applicable sa akin. So, this person has only 93% reviews. So, hindi ko siya kukunin, but bagkus ang kukunin ko ngayon dito is si coin ay po pwede. Sell. All. Yes, pinayagan tayo. So, the reason bakit ko siya pinili is meron siyang good rating na 98%. So, maganda siya. At the same time, makikita mo dito yung duration ng payment namin na itatransfer niya yung pera sa PayMaya with the amount of 6,558 pesos and 9 cents. Yan dapat yung marireceive ko once na i-process namin ito. So, I'll go ahead and put sell now. And then, hihintayin lang natin na ma-receive niya yung request. And once na ma-receive niya yung request, sasabihin naman niya dito at magka-type sa contact buyer. So, sasabihin niya na payment sent. Okay? Key points to remember lang. Please do not click the release now if hindi nyo pa nare-receive yung pera ninyo sa Maya. Okay? So, tignan natin kung anong magiging proceeds nito. So, I think it's process niya. Okay, the wait. So, once I receive that, I will tell you natin. Okay. So, na-release daw niya. Let me just check. Hold on. Okay. So, pumasok na dito. Okay. Exactong amount. Nakikita ko sa other cellphone ko. It says, I should receive 6,558.90. So, since na-receive ko na siya, I will click release now. Confirm, release. Acknowledge. And then, of course, hindi ka isa to sa tinatawag na two-way authenticator. So, I can only have this access para maiwasan natin ang scam. So, itong number na to, pwede nyo naman makita dahil every second or every less than a minute, nagbabago siya. So, there. Done na siya. And then, tignan natin, no? View my assets. And then, there you have it. Wala na. And, let me just check the history if we can. There you go. So, yan yung lahat ng mga transaction natin. So, sobrang seamless nito. Kaya, I would recommend na since magke-trade tayo, another option natin ito for maximizing our profits. And then, of course, kung mag-deposit tayo, medyo mababa lang amount nito. We will have a separate video for deposit and enrollment nito. And stay tuned lang po dyan mga ka-easy peeps. Thank you so much po.